Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the build modifier. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put a shift a cube here, and what I'm going to do is that I'll go to the modifiers and we have a build modifier, and you see suddenly it disappeared. And what I'm going to do is that what we have to do is that start frame, we have length. It says start frame. This frame means this frame here. It starts at 1 and it can start, and it will, the length will be 100, I think it's milliseconds, isn't it? Milliseconds. Yeah. So let's see. And I'm starting this like this, and you can see it is building the cube like this, and at 100 it will build the cube. So I can start this one at 5 seconds here. I will say tell to it to start at 5. Automatically it will start at 5. You can see, let me show you, it starts at 5. You can say start at 1 like this, and you can make this one less, so it will be done in 90 something like this. Okay, you can reserve it, you can make it in different way, so it will not build it, but it will unpack it, it will take from it, isn't it? Like this. Or you can say randomize it. Randomizing it, let's see. You see it starts from here and from up. You can change the seed. I talked about the seed. The seed is that it's like a tree. It will change. It will give us different types. Okay, and when I'm happy with this, I can just apply it. When I'm applying it, you see that this will not change. You see, it's done. Okay, so this was the build modifier, and we can go to the monkey Suzanne and put the same modifier to it, build modifier. Let's see. You see, like this. And I will be going to say, yeah, stop from here, and I want it like this. And this is it. This is the build modifier. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.